to you. And this is nothing but I'm sharing my journey to a lot of extent. And I have been encouraging that CAs should become CFO, CEOs, right? Now, how to become? There's nothing great secret actually. बराबर है. मेहनत करो सब हो जाता है. But doesn't matter. There are still some tips and tricks. Okay. So, having said that, now we are talking about how do we go about, and I'm going as usual by the question answer method, and the questions which I have received in advance will be answered first. Later on, I'll go to the chat mode. So here is Sneha Varanga. Jignesh Mali, you first of all, you. So Sneha Varanga, the question you asked is, what is practical experience? Yes, you need to know fact, finance, accounting, costing, taxation. Okay. So, right. And practical experience is required, no doubt about it. You can't be saying, I read in books and became CFO. Then there is a question from Bhavik Shah, whether a CA should be targeting to become CFO or CEO. He should be targeting to become CFO first and then CEO. Okay. But if there is a smaller company and there is a good chance for him to become direct CEO, nothing like that. Go ahead. Then I go to Jagdish Solanki. Can a practice CA start virtual CFO service? What kind of skill set is required for the same? So can a practice CFO service? Yes. Virtual CFO service you can start. Yes. But what you are saying is, what is the skill set required for the same? See, most of these things are online. Most of these things, virtual CFOs are online. Now, since they are online, we need to know how to handle the department online, right? So, how do you handle the department online? Are we tech savvy to handle the bank balance online? Are we ready to or able to give the approvals online? Are we able to check the Ind AS or IFRS entries online? Are we in a position to get the things in order? Okay, we are able to get the things in order as far as the cash flow management is concerned. Do we have what is known as feel of figures? Feel of figures, because here generally, if you are a virtual CFO, every time you cannot understand what is the person's expectation, and so the dialogue baji becomes quite a lot, and it becomes not so easy to deal with. Okay, so in view of that, Abhi, like for example, I hope you are able to see my video, right? If you are able to see my video, then you can see my actions. Okay, and if you can see my actions, okay, if you can see my actions, then there is because the body language talks about it. Okay, so the body language talks about it, and therefore you are able to handle such kind of things. Okay, and when you are a virtual CFO, there is a need for being better communicator also. Okay, better communicator also, because many things you are required to write instead of speak. Okay, because every time you cannot be on the video. Similarly, many times what happens, we are habitual to taking the printout. So our Excel sheet, the links are missing. So the virtual, normally our habits of looking at the papers is there. But are we good at Excel or any other query modules? So virtual CFO, the abilities required are work online, excellent written communication also, written communication, because many times your body language does not speak out anything. Okay. Yeah, body language does not speak out anything and everything at a time. So work online, written communication. Third, excellent in Excel. Then being able to agile 24 hours, because many times the time zones are different. So one has to be careful there also. Okay. Then I move to the question by Narendra Purohit: to become a CFO or CEO, or is mandatory to be master of all skills and work? No, you have to be jack of all skills. If you are a jack of all skills, that is enough. You have to be master of few of them, master of few. And do we have more grasping ability? While you should be a good doer also, but can you grasp the things fast? That is a more important thing. And if you can grasp the things fast, then you are able to. And in that, one of my bosses used to tell me, do you have a feel of figure? Feel of figure. For example, do you have an analytical mind? So I'll give you one example. I would say there are two email IDs. One is Mohan Bhave at hotmail.com, right? And there is also another email ID, which is let us say Tejashri Kala. Tejashri Kala 1995 at gmail.com. All right. Now, what does your analytical skill tell you? What does your analytical skill tell you? Okay. Yes, when I say feel of figures, I am telling basically that we have a good grasping ability. So feel of figures is that. So this analytical ability, what are these two emails showing? Can you analyze and write in the chat mode? Tejasri is born in 95, correct. What else? What else? Rammohan Bhave is an old fellow, correct. Because Hotmail is an old email ID. Correct. Very right. Right. Then you get one more email ID which says Teju Kala at gmail.com. Then what do you call it? Now you are coming to the short names. Our current style is omit the vowels. So are you able to judge this, what Narendra Purohit has answered? Or Mahesh has? Tejasvi has created email ID in 95 is very unlikely. Okay. All right. So feel of figures, or let me come out with some other examples here, and it takes me to the next this thing. Yeah. Then I'm coming to the next question. Kesa Priyanka, any preferred career path to become CFO? The list of function in which experience required? Is MBA required for accelerated growth? So I am going by Priyanka's question one by one. List of function in which you have the experience. First thing where you need an experience. Okay. First thing where you need an experience is primarily you have to have MIS understanding. MIS understanding. Okay. Then if you are at a manufacturing company, then you must understand the product properly. The third thing is Umesh, I can't help. If you are getting a background noise, I have no background noise. And if somebody is chatting, then I can't help it now. So let us forget it. Okay. I can't be waiting for that. If you are still facing the background noise, you can cut it off from your side and meet me later on. Because I can't do anything for that. Then if you are into the service industry, then you must know the process
Wow,
of
beta, mana kaam
service
chal raha hai.
delivery. Then as a CFO journey, okay, career path is that you must take some formal trainings in communications. Now, is our GMCS enough or not for CS is a question mark, but it may be enough for some, it may not be enough for some. Then we talk about latest things you should be aware of. Okay, for example, now Ind AS in India is a must, and if you are in a multinational, you must know IFRS. Okay, and having said that, we have to be with the latest things. Okay, then we come to the next question she has raised. Is MBA required or not? First of all, when you say MBA required or not, what happens is MBA part-time or MBA distant does not help much. Part-time and distant MBA does not help much because communication skills require for us the good skill set of full-time MBA. So then what do we do? The only choice is, since we cannot leave the job once it is started, then it is better that we do some part-time, but executive MBA is one of the good options. Executive MBA is one of the good options. So some of my people who were reporting to me in Reliance, they used to do the IIM Calcutta Executive MBA. That has been found to be very useful. And I can give the numbers of the people who have done Executive MBA. So is MBA required for accelerator growth? If it is from a good college, yes. If it is from a D class, E class college, better don't waste your money. Then you come to, is MBA required for accelerator growth? Yes. Accelerator growth can be achieved because MBA does give a skill set. Then I'm coming to Raghu. Whether practicing CA can use this opportunity. I don't know which opportunity you're talking. So I'm skipping your question, Mr. Raghu. Then I come to Girish Kumar. CFO as KMP or simple CFO? I mean, CFO as KMP is always good. Yeah, the higher position you take is better. So this is not a question at all. Is there any special course required? No, no course required. Learn from your seniors, whosoever are the current good CFOs. Then Subramanya Sharma is saying how to deal with the challenges of SMEs in present economic situation and make them survive with profitability and maintain valuations. Mr. Subramanya Sharma, today's topic is CFO and CEO, not valuation. So I am not dealing with your present economic situation challenges. I'm only dealing with the people who want to become CFO and CEO. All right. So all right. Then the next question is from Ashish Lalwani. How to get financial growth along with designation? Is changing job preferable? Now my contention is, first of all, it depends on which group you are in. Let us say if you are in a big group, okay, if you are in a big group, then the growth is always slow. For example, Bosch doesn't promote people for 4 to 5 years. Whereas some other companies, they make so many designations. There will be a general manager, there will be senior general manager, there is executive general manager. And below general manager, there is deputy general manager, there is assistant general manager. So there is no end to the designation. And then ICICI, I heard, has 5,000 vice presidents. Now, if there are 5,000 vice presidents, there is no value for any vice president. So, therefore, the designation, according to me, is a very dicey thing. Designation is a very dicey thing. So, Is the designation really reflecting your profile or not? So I would say when I used to go for job, I used to say that I want to know how much decision making powers I have. Can I, as a finance man, can I sign the vouchers? Can I take capital expenditure decisions? Can I sign a purchase order for consultant's appointment, etc.? Not the raw material. Can I sign a invoice, or can I sign a check? What is my check signing authority? Can I sign the contracts up to what value? So these are the things which will get an idea, and compared to the what is it? Compared to the types of okay, compared to the types of situations available, there you so compared to the size of the organization, you should compare to the authority given to you. And instead of looking for designation, ask a question that here is CEO, here is CFO. Okay, where am I in the ladder? Ask the organization chart. So if you are into here A, B, C, and you are into D, and D, and you are F to D, and D, and you are F. So then you know you have to cross 1, 2, 3, 4 to be considered. So you should basically go for checking the decision making, the tree structure in the organization, how away you are from CFO. And there is a difference. Like one of the small companies of 100 crores, I became in the beginning itself CEO. Whereas when I joined Blue Star, I was only CFO, and it took me time to become a CEO in some other company. But there are designations nowadays which are like a business controller. Business controller. Now, many times the business controller designation is as powerful as CFO, because the accounts function or taxation function is so big that able to handle. The clear example is RIL, Reliance Industries, where the commercial head is different and the finance head is different. There is a position for CCO and CFO, and CCO many times is far more powerful. Okay, then I go to how to get financial growth along with designation. The answer is simple. Financial growth can be achieved only if we can expand our profile. Expand the profile. How do you expand the profile? If you have a knowledge of various areas. For example, when I passed my CA in 1980, I didn't know what is excise. Okay. So one day the person who was handling excise went on leave. So my boss asked me, Mr. Bhavi, will you handle his profile? So I started handling his profile, and originally I was handling budgeting. So I'll sit late and do budgeting. So slogging is one way to learn the others' profiles. Otherwise, it sometimes becomes difficult. So somebody goes on leave, are you immediately going to be picking up that slot? If you can, then there is a chance. Okay. If you can, then there is a chance. Right? Okay. So, yeah. So, expanding the profile. So, for example, I started with general ledger, then I was added with budgeting, then I was added with costing. Then somebody said, okay, why don't you take over payroll? Then I said, okay, payroll is fine because I know PF, ESI, I learned that. Then they said that you start looking after the legal affairs also. By the time I had become CS, so they got a confidence that he can do that. Then banking came to me because I started visiting the banks and became familiar with the working of them. Then they said, okay, look into working capital management, particularly our debtors are high. I started looking into. Then after Modvet credit came, I'm talking about 80, 84 or 85. Modvet credit came. It so happened that we had to buy from SMEs So even the purchase department started coming to me. They said that give us some advice as to how to place an order. So VAT and MODVAT are very good entries for a chartered accountant to push their nose into purchase order, capital expenditure, etc. So that is how. Then ERP came, and then I poked my nose into IT also, because the typical software engineer were not able to justify the ERP's cost and benefit. And those days I wrote an article called ROI on ERP, and this was published into CSI magazine, Computer Society of India. That time I was in Blue Star. And when I really put myself into the CSI magazine, suddenly I became popular as a VP IT. And the IT guy said that we are not able to convince the owners on how much investment to be done. And then I pushed myself via internet. If you are more internet savvy, the IT function can come to you many times, because the programmers or the ERP technology guys are not so good at explaining. But you become, as a finance guy, a good translator. You must have seen that in many companies, finance guys have coordinated ERP exercise. So that can push you into IT. And then what happened? One day we wanted a cost reduction committee, and I was put into a committee where there was internal auditor and a VP purchase. So they said VP finance also should look into purchase price. That gave me an idea how to do the cost reductions. Then there was a concept called reverse auction. You might have heard it. Reverse auction through IT came into picture. So IT ka sahara leke, I pushed myself both into marketing as well as purchases. So this gives you a chance. Now capital expenditure, people were doing fixed asset. I said that why don't you use SFE fixed asset model? So I needed to check up with them, and that helped me to get into the mode of those kind of functions also. Then I tried to link the machineries along with the maintenance, and that helped me to basically get into the idea about maintenance function. Then a day came when in Blue Star we decided that the central air conditioning department is doing the design for the air conditioning of building. So I said, okay, now design to ERP, there has to be a software which does design automatically. So they said, let us do a BPR, business process engineering. When they did BPR, then I participated into that. So if I keep on doing people on mute, I won't have time to speak. Right? So now I'm talking on the top of my voice, and we had already 4 webinars and they went on well. There was no issue on that. Okay. So if you are finding difficulties, I don't think this is abnormal difficulty. Look at your own computer itself. Then Sonam Jana is asking that what is the effective time frame one should continue with an organization, since I have been in the same organization for last 8 years. Okay, every 3 years your salary should double, and you should be able to take profile of your boss. If that is happening, continue in the same organization. If that is not happening and you feel that you are really efficient but politics is bringing you down, change the job. So if you are there in your current organization last 8 years, are you first of all doing the star performance? If you're doing the star performance, then don't write any private questions. Write all public questions. Okay. All right. Now, how to become strategic CFO? There is a very good book on strategic CFO which you can read. Do the McKinsey's book, Execution Premium. But more than that, I would say that to become a strategic CFO, do we know and read some books on business strategy and start talking in a strategy language. For example, can you talk about SWOT analysis? Can you talk about Michael Porter's 5 forces, etc., etc. We talk about And are you getting into organic and inorganic growth both? Can you look at the function not just from compliance angle? In fact, when I used to go for interview, particularly in Y2K period, I am a business accountant. Okay, and that line, people used to like that in the interview. All right. Then I am coming to the question by Neeraj. How should one do sharing arrangement when inducting partners at multi-location branches? Should sharing be based on location-specific revenue or at overall firm level revenue? I think Mr. Neeraj, you have joined a wrong webinar. Today we are discussing how to become CFO and CEO. And your question is on practicing CAs. So catch me some other time on WhatsApp. How to become views on virtual CFO, excellent job. Do become CFO, no doubt about it. Okay. All right. Don't raise the hands because we are not making anybody unmute. Write whatever queries are here in your chat mode because I have huge number of queries already. So raising hand is not required. CFO must. CFO should be excellent in technology. Today I have received a mail from a Dubai party in Naam Valuer requesting tie-up from Indian partners. How can I check their authenticity and credentials? You contact me separately, Mukund, because today we are discussing how to become CFO and CEO, and your questions are basically on something else, practicing. Okay. So now I am taking up the queries asked in chat mode. Okay. Whatever I received advanced queries, they are over. Then I come to okay. Chat mode mein, most of the chat modes are talking about be on mute, and wait a minute. So let me do it. Okay. All right. Yeah. So how difficult is it is to understand? God knows. They cannot mute 1%. Cash management during financial issue of the company. Yes, I mean cash is of two types. One is the costs which are waste and the costs which are investment. So during the financial challenge time, waste should be stopped. Okay. And what you should do is that look at every cost. Does it have immediate benefits? Immediate cash inflows. Then we talk about what is feel of figures. So I'll give you an idea. This is one company with a revenue of 100 crores and a profit of 30 crores, and another company with a revenue of 200 crores and the profit of 50 crores. What is your immediate comment on this? Should we join company A? I mean, should we invest in company A or company B? Should we join in company A or company B? So one will get tempted to say, here it is a 30% profit, so I should invest in company A. Whereas here it is just how much? 25% profit. But the answer is absolute figure matter more than the percentage. Okay. And that is why Reliance Group becomes big. All right. Now, let me come to the next questions. Next questions. How far presentation skills are important? Huge. So your secretary should be MBA, and or your secretary or executive assistant should be a smart MBA, or he can be a BCom with good PPT making abilities, or send him for some course. Okay. But you yourself taking PPT time, do it in your college days itself. Okay, or CA days itself. Then which is the best institute to improve the communication skills? Frankly, nowadays, at one time I used to like Pramod Palekar. Okay, but now his son has taken over. I'm talking about Mumbai, and but Google is giving now many communication online courses. So those who want communication courses, please write to me, or they can search on Google. But I can give you good references. But those days are gone because now in the communication teaching field there are a huge number of people. Okay. Then let me come to how to shift from financial accounting profile to financial planning and analysis. You look at this. What is required to get a FP&A job? No prior experience. What is financial accounting? Finalization of accounts. What is financial planning and analysis? Now, many of the KPOs or shared services. They are saying we will give you the financial planning and analysis job. It means that you are required to do variance analysis, or you are required to do cash flow management and give the indicators. So many of the shared services and KPOs have as if started saying that the financial planning and analysis is what you do. So I am not thinking really that shifting from accounting to planning and analysis gives a great advantage unless the FP&A profile is great. But many of them give you R2R profile or receivables management profile. Now look at that. Are you doing a monotonous job or not? Presuming that you are not doing a monotonous job, then moving to financial planning and analysis is very close to budgeting exercises. Okay. And so far as you know budgeting, that is enough for you. Okay. Please tell to become CEO, MBA qualification is compulsory, not necessarily, but good to have. Something is essential, no. But nice to have, yes. Okay. And as far as you are concerned, Tejasri, you are my IFRS student. I know you. Your communication skills are very good. You don't need MBA. But it depends. Some people may not have. I myself had no good communication skills. So I should have done some those days MBA. List of colleges where you should do executive MBA from IIM. And if you are a fresher, then you can get admission in NMIMS in Mumbai or SPJIMR. If you get there, great. Nahi to Wellington. Beyond this, I won't recommend. Otherwise, CA is good enough. What additional Jignesh, privately mat likho. What additional qualification or knowledge required to become CEO if one is already in a CFO role? Business strategy. Business strategy. Take a short course on business strategy and M&A. Okay. Jignesh Pali, if you're already in a CFO role, then learn business strategy and M&A, organic and inorganic growth. Okay. Then, yeah, all are on mute. Okay. So not an issue. All right. Then, Jagdish Solanki. Okay. Can practice CA, can provide virtual CFO service? Yes. Skill set required, good communication skills, good touch. Yeah. You can see these 3 books, which I like. Exemplary CEOs. Can you see this? Exemplary CEOs. Then have a reading of the book, Good to Great. This is my paid book. Okay. Good to Great by Jim Collins. Can you see this? And then this is a book called Agenda. Yeah. So I'm again showing a book called Agenda by Michael Hammer. Then there is a Good to Great book called by Jim Collins. And there is a book called Srinivas Pandit, Exemplary CEOs. And then there is one more book called Gurus on Business Strategy. So these 3-4 books you read. Otherwise, the standard books what MBAs use on business strategy are fine. But strategic CFO, what is the time frame? What should consider to become CEO? CA plus, if you are a star, we are talking about a company of 1,000 crore turnover at least. If you enlisted, then CA plus 8 years means you are a star. CA plus 10 years means you are above average. And CA plus 12 years means you are average. If it is taking more than that time, then there is a problem. You should have changed the job well in time. How to ask for promotion after taking additional workload? Now these are all political issues, unfortunately. But one of my boss used to tell me, you cannot bottle a star. So if you are a star, today or tomorrow you will shine. Otherwise, change the job, then you will shine. Okay. Then, but yes, I also faced. I mean, whatever you may do, sometimes bosses don't promote you. Okay. Then strategy CFO books I showed you. Companies are asking for experience. How can it be there if one will not get a job in particular area? So, Madhu, have you read a lot? Have you read a lot on that subject? Whichever experience they want. Suppose they want a GST experience. Can you speak on GST for 1 hour or publish an article on GST? So whichever experience you don't have, write books on that, read books on that, write articles on that. Okay, then I can see A, B, C, D. I don't know what they're talking. I am unable to hear your voice. You were talking about A and B as a company. Okay. How to jump from CFO profile from current manager, head of the designation, from current manager, HOD designation. I mean, simply apply. And I used to give 3 interviews every year, at least. And those days we used to float our CV with placement consultant. So your CV should be with 3P consultant, Henry Can Struggle, ABC consultants. There are 5 to 10 consultants which are top names who appoint all the CFOs. Okay, Boost, Hamilton. So if you go to Google, you'll get the consultant 5-10 names. And if you are deputy CFO, then to become CFO, you will get an idea. I'm currently in R2R profile, but it is monotonous job every month. Will switching to FP&A be worth or not? See, Tamanna, every profile has its pluses and minuses. Every profile has its pluses and minuses. Because what happens is the R2R profile, okay, record to receipt, is a profile which helps you to know the SOP. Now, FP&A profile, first check up whether it is, what is the exact profile. Because the profiles of FP&A, many places are different. Sometimes they give you only a mundane job of pulling out the computer reports and submitting to the foreign office. And the review is hardly anything. So check up whether it is a good profile. It may or may not be worth. Tamanna, send me by WhatsApp. Now we are talking about Davinder Singh. To become a CFO or CEO, one should have working knowledge of programming like SAP, ERP modules. Not really. You should have an ability to know the functional aspect of SAP. You should know the names of the modules and what they do. So it is working knowledge of programming. I don't think CA is expected to do programming. But CA should be able to write down the process. If one is working at functional level, how to grab opportunity at top level, way forward to CFO. I mean, what does CFO do? Check that. And in his absence, what you would have done if you were made CFO? That will make a difference. Multidisciplinary, like what? Multidisciplinary means what? Okay, that you should answer. Ashish Lalwani is asking, while changing job, should we stick to same industry or it is fine to change the industry as well? See, I was in Crompton. I think I will open one of my PowerPoint slides and show you how many companies, how many sectors I have changed. Okay, I have not introduced myself. Some of you might not be. Yeah. So new share. So can you see my this thing presentation? This I'll send you, but just to introduce myself so that you have an idea. Okay. So this is my address at Chunamatti. This is my LinkedIn profile, and this is my phone number. I already given you the phone number. These are my qualifications. You can see collegian, professional, strategic, and global. BCom, LLB, CA, ICWA, CS. I am Ahmedabad, SAP, IFRS London, Six Sigma, Certified International Valuer, and then Limca record holder and Global Record and Research Foundation record holder. And these are the companies where I worked. So you can see here, this was Crompton Greaves, which was in switchgear, electrical engineering. Then I moved to Mafatlal, which was in Surat, and Surat it was chemical industry, Navin Fluorine. Then I moved to Blue Star, which was air conditioning and refrigeration. And then we demerged Infotech. Then I went to software. And after that, you will find that I got into Reliance Infocom, which is telecom. Then I moved to construction. Then I moved to steel and mining in London. And now I'm in the education and consulting. So every time this thing was different. Finance is a generic function. So you don't have to worry. You should be able to handle any business model. If you are scared of handling different business model, then there is a problem. So what you should do is, whichever industry is best paymaster, there you should go. So when I passed CA, electrical engineering was doing well, so I joined Crompton. Then chemical was doing well, so I joined Mafatlal. Then white goods was doing well, so I joined Blue Star. Then IT was doing well, so I joined Foundation Software. Then telecom was doing well, so I joined Reliance. Then construction was doing well, so I joined construction. Then steel was doing well. So where whatever is doing well, go into that industry. Unfortunately, I couldn't go to pharma because pharma were all multinationals and they were all having a different style. So Ashish Lalwani, I think I have answered your question. Then what about? Okay, Manish Tanwani privately asking, so I'm not answering this. If I have to shift from GM tax to CFO, first do Ind AS. Manish Tanwani, do Ind AS first. I showed you the books. Virtual CFO Jagdish means these are people like JP Morgan, or you are a CFO of Singapore, because these are, or go to mycfo.com or supercfo.com. They are making you CFO and you handle a company which is in Singapore. The department is Singapore, the cashier is in Singapore, the bill receivable guy is in Singapore. Okay. Then mergers and acquisition. The best book is Merger et al. Merger et al. by Ramanujam. Okay. Best book and M&A is Merger et al. By Ramanujam. Then there is a Merger Endgame. That is also a good book. Then a company was 3-4 experience, so just having theoretical knowledge is enough. More the experience, better the thing. Tips for time management. I mean, simple thing is, can you grasp the things fast and make your juniors to delegate in, or ask bring your reports in such a fashion that they are ready-made for you to make decision. This skill I am indebted to Sunil Advani, the managing director of Blue Star that time. He taught me how to you get the reports from the juniors, which are immediately easy to make decision. Which industry do you think will be seeing the boom after this pandemic? Online training, Nikita, join me. We'll do the online training. And second thing is that travel will be flat, so you should go in for ABCDRI. All right, ABCDRI. What is ABCDRI? A is artificial intelligence, B is blockchain, big data, then C is cloud computing, D is digital and drone, R is robotics, and I is Internet of Things or industrial automation of things. Project finance and loan syndication has no good books. Okay, I don't like any books on that. All right. So we are reached 7:30 already, and I have finished all the questions. So if there are any further questions, ask me. All right. Please ask your further questions. Any further questions, ask me. I was on the Index Implementation Committee member. I finished 2000 lectures. I worked in 7 countries. I'm an independent director on LIC Mutual Fund. Then I given 150 lectures in last 2 years on valuation. Valuation is one course which is in demand. I was perhaps the first triple qualified to make the global this thing. I'm on the valuation standard board. For IFRS, I have students in 30 countries and 129 cities. So you should be active in all this. Can you show the roadmap from starting career to, it's not career, CAREER. Don't do a regular mistake, Mr. Redmi career. I don't say carrier. Carrier is a person who carries the thing, Hadgadi wala. What steps should be taken to become a strategist CFO? Improve your communication, have a knowledge of business strategy, learn M&A. 3 clear steps. And functional knowledge should be from all angles. So suppose you are a finance person, you are studying some purchase order. Can you look at it from the angle of purchase manager also? Suppose there is a customer's order, are you looking at it from the tax angle, GST angle, quantity rate angle? But can you look at it from the marketing angle? That's generally speaking, virtual CFOs learning local tax is not a big deal. You can learn it very fast. Right age of becoming CA. Abhi ho gaya na, you are at right age. I was CEO with debt syndication company which closed down. Recently, I have completed insolvency. Should I practice for industry? Abhijit Gokhale, what is your age? What is your age? Depending upon age, I can give you the advice. 39. Okay. And do you have a financial backup if you decide to practice and you have a waiting period of 2 years? Do you have a home financial backup? Is your wife working or are you coming from well-to-do family? No backup. Then go to industry. Go to industry because you cannot sustain the period, and henceforth don't go to the finance sector. Finance sector, I would say it is a gamble sector. It's a gamble sector. So go for job. But simultaneously keep on increasing your degrees. Do IFRS, do SCCA, do valuation, keep on growing your knowledge so that you will not have a challenge anytime. Then who is asking something? Banking industry being the CA, you can be a loan appraisal, loan manager. How to enter industry for a practicing chartered accountant? Mr. Darshani, what is your age? Mr. Darshani, what is your age? Then I can tell you. Okay. Otherwise, contact me separately on WhatsApp. My number is 7446744. What is your advice for 50 years here? I have worked with top IT companies 15 years. Artificial intelligence. ordinary molecule based में क्या फर्क है? Blockchain. Digitization. Robotics. Don't write privately. Advice as what? Jay, YouTube, Ram Mohan Bhave, and see 1st May webinar recording. We have discussed valuation of A, B, C, D, R, I. Okay. Then there is a question on somebody who says, if I am 53, what should I do? 53, you are young. What is the worry? To become a ERP consultant as a freelancer, only thing you will have to learn marketing, how you will do it. And what is Girish saying? Girish, good evening, many thanks. Guru is necessary to succeed. You are great. Thank you, my dear friend. What is the scope of SEMA UK current economic condition in India? What is SEMA UK? I have not known any SEMA UK doing anything great in India. कुछ सीमा बीमा छोड़ दो. Can you suggest would you practice GST or IFRS? Of course GST. Because GST is applicable to. The thing is that GFT you get a masses. Small fees. IFRS you get few clients with high amount. Any other questions?
Mr. Vipul, you are disturbing too much.
Finished all the questions. You are a good speaker and willing to be a faculty of IFRS. Can you help me? Why not? Send me your recorded speeches for 1 or 2 standards. Okay. Now, I am going to, before closing, I am going to give you a good news. What is the good news? Good news is I have my students in Canada, USA, Dubai, and Europe. In every future webinar, every future webinar, we will be getting one person. I have requested them to give the speech to my CA friends in India as to how to do a great career. Okay, so this is a good news for you, and I will be getting you. Most probably in the next lecture there will be a person, EPA Canada. Okay, and she is my student from 7-8 years. Okay, so we have already finished. Thank you. Bye bye. We already crossed 7:30, and I'm sure.
Sure. Thank you.
You
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Found it useful. Anybody has any queries? Write to me on WhatsApp, giving your name, city, and email ID.
Sir, I will send my IFRS lecture recording to you, sir.
Mohan Bhave. I am on Facebook with Ram Mohan Bhave. I am on LinkedIn with Ram Mohan Bhave. And anybody has not here, email ID don't write here because I don't see the chat at all later on. There is a long chat. WhatsApp पे लिखो जो भी है. All the best to everybody. Bye bye and have great careers. I thought that since I had the luck to become a CFO and CEO, I thought I will share my thoughts with you. So best wishes. I am 63. Most of you are younger, so I can give you blessings also. So take my blessings, take my best wishes. and do wonderful careers. If you need any help, anytime, career making decisions, you are welcome to consult me anytime. Generally, I prefer to have, I don't have iPhone, Manish Tanwani, I don't have iPhone. I am not disturbing you through iPhone. I don't own the iPhone at all, Manish Tanwani. I don't know why you are saying I'm disturbing. Okay. So, how to improve communication skills? Hey, Mahesh, start giving lecture every day in front of your girlfriend or your parents. Then they will get fed up. Then go in front of mirror and then give a lecture. One of the user is iPhone. We can't help him. Okay, people are unreasonable, irresponsible. Love them anyway.